I think this is the intercooler. I want you to see what is the difference between this one and the factory one. Let me get the factory. Now I'm gonna install this. This is the water box. This is the silencer for the jet ski. And here is the sensor for this harness. It's gonna go in here. So I'm gonna put this inside to continue the assembly. Let's do it. I received this. I think this is the carbon seal for the jet ski. Let's open it. Yes, it is. This is the boot. And this is the carbon seal. Goes like this. This is what it seals to prevent the water to get into the crab. It's gonna be here like this, just like that. You have two O-rings and the clip. These O-rings go inside here. This is the shaft that goes inside. This is the engine end and this is the impeller end. I need to put this so I can then install the supercharger. It's going to be here. This other one is going to be like this. And this goes here. Put this to the back. The mail came up. I was waiting for one of these parts so I can finish the jet ski. I already had the L filter with the velocity stack. Gonna be a little bit breathing up on the engine. And I think this is the intercooler. I hope so, because this is the part that I need to finish the jet ski this weekend. Let's open it to see if it is. And I think it is. Yes, it is. Look at this beast. Whoa, it is big. It's big and beautiful. I like it. Holy cow. It's heavy. I want to compare so you can see. I want you to see what is the difference between this one and the factory one. Let me get the factory one. It's a really big difference, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I hope it fits under there. Yeah, it's the same height. That's the most important part, because it's a really cramped space there, but it's a really big and beautiful intercooler. Yeah. Look at this baby, man. This is so tiny. Scrap pile. Now I think this is the elbow for the cold air intake. I think I'm gonna be buying these elbows to install it. This is gonna be like this, and this is gonna be the cold air intake for the jet ski here. It's gonna go there, just like this. Yes. More horsepower. I really want the jet ski to run like 73, 74 miles. And I don't know what is this. Let's see. I don't remember it. The oil filter. The oil filter for the jet ski, yeah. This is the one that goes here. Okay, unscrew this. It's gonna be like this. Then I'm gonna be changing these O-rings for the new ones so it doesn't leak. The thin one is going first here to the bottom, and the sticker one is gonna be here in the groove, just like that. Then gonna be installing it here. Now we have a new oil filter. We have to tighten everything. I just want to show you the parts that are coming with the jet ski. Yep. It's gonna be here. Yep. This one's here. Here. Need to put the bigger coupler there. And this one's gonna be here. Just like this. Here I'm gonna put the blow-off valve. It's gonna be here, like this. I think I will need to put an extension or something because it's too low. Yeah, it's gonna be here like this. I'm gonna put it like this, like an extension. I'm going to be installing the jet pump. It's already have a almost new wearing with some grease. The impeller is a little bit funky, but I'm not going to work on that. So I'm gonna be installing this. Go this way.
So we used to